Hi there! If you want to purchase the email tracking app for Zendesk, in this video, we will show you a detailed tutorial on how to do it. To start, open the app and go to the subscription page. There are two plans available, the Lite plan and the Pro plan. Learn more about their features and choose the one you prefer. Next, click the subscribe button and choose the payment frequency, monthly or yearly. Also, there is an option for wire transfer payment, but it works only for annual subscriptions. After this, you will see a new window with the summary of your order. Here, you should fill in the information with your email address, country, and postal code. Put the check mark here if you want to receive product updates and special offers from GrowthThought. Click Continue and select the payment method. There are two payment options, PayPal or debit credit card. Please note that the chosen payment method will be saved for further processing. After providing all the necessary details below, click Subscribe now. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website to learn more about email tracking features.